In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up key events in Google Analytics. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge to effectively track and promote the key interactions that matter the most on your website. Let's begin by setting up a new event. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google Analytics account. From the main dashboard, direct your attention to the lower left corner where you see the Admin button. Click on it, and this will bring up a menu with various options. Under Data Display, find and select the Events section. Once there, you'll see an option to create event. Go ahead and click on that. Now that we're in the event creation stage, it's time to define your new event. This is where you decide the specifics of what you want to track. For example, if you're interested in tracking when users submit a contact form, you might name your event something like Contact Thanks. It's important to be descriptive yet concise with your event names to keep your analytics organized. After naming your event, you'll be prompted to set match conditions. These conditions are essentially the rules that pinpoint when your event gets triggered, based on the interactions happening on your site. Take a moment to carefully define these conditions so you accurately capture the desired activity. Once your event is successfully set up and being tracked, the next step is to promote it to a key event. This step is crucial because it elevates the event's importance within your analytics setup, allowing you to easily access these metrics and gain insights into user behavior that's most significant to your business goals. To mark your new event as a key event, you'll need to return to the Admin dashboard if you're not already there. Once again, navigate under Data Display and click on Events. This will bring up a list of all the events you've created. Find the event you just set up. Here, you'll see a toggle option next to each event labeled Mark as Key Event. Flip this toggle for your newly created event to promote it as a key event. And there you have it. You've now set up and marked a key event in Google Analytics. By following these steps, you can ensure that vital actions on your website, like form submissions or clicks on crucial buttons, are tracked efficiently. Remember, periodically review your events to ensure that they are capturing the right data and consider promoting other events to key events as your business goals evolve. This practice can provide you with deeper insights and improve your decision-making process based on real user interactions on your site. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative guides on mastering Google Analytics.